Hey everyone, back again with another video today. We'll be pretending to flirt with Slenders and copy and paste.
Yes!
Cause a certain someone...
Oh no, it's not easy,
Okay, you know they can hear you. They can hear you! You don't have to type.
I know!
Alright, so let's just go.
I think I can get the... Yeah? Coming!
Let's go, Lego.
Go first.
Yeah.
You can go first.
No, you go first. Bruh, somebody sent me a... Bruh, a copy and paste sent me a friend request.
Accept!
No!
It's your YouTube video. You have to do it first.
No.
Yeah.
Alright, Sid. Let's see who... Let's see. I'll find you one.
Wait, I think the number one is going to... I think one is going to hashtag, so we might need to...
We're gonna use one like you won the game.
Oh, okay. Okay. You go first.
No, you. I already said. Hold on, I found you somebody.
Guys, Braille should do it first because it's his YouTube video.
No.
It's his YouTube video, so he goes first.
No. No.
I don't want to talk to you.
Fine, we'll find another one.
No, it's your turn.
Alright, Sid, let's look around for one.
I'll find
Look, somebody! Somebody for you.
No, for you. No.
Listen, little dude.
Girl.
Sid, no, what? Never mind. I said never mind. Alright, him. He's dancing. Say, alright.
Ooh, he has some abs.
Alright, Sydney. You know what to do.
No.
Do it. Say hey.
Hey. Oh my god.
Wait for him to say something back, though. Alright, say, so there are so many stars out there.
Why are you on some sort of weird fusion?
There are so many stars out there.
Wait, I can't.
And then.
Alright. Send the star one out. Say the star out.
Wait, no, I want to do it all together.
Alright. There are so many stars out there. Then then you gotta say but you're the brightest one.
Oh my god.
Come on.
I don't want to.
I do this for content.
Do this for content. Oh my god.
Bruh, he's winning.
I hate you.
But I think I know how to get a wither spot.
XD. Did we go to like another server? Say hi. Alright, this is just YouTube. I'm ready. This just a vid.
You're bad.
This just a vid.
I'm in.
He said play her.
I'm literally sweating.
Alright.
I'm literally so embarrassing.
Somebody said no online dating. I'm gonna say
Berlin, literally, I'm sweating right now.
yes, no online.
Braylon, I'll find you, girl. Come on, Braylon.
No.
No.
Fine. This sucks. This sucks.
And you have to do the same thing that I said.
Oi!
This girl.
Oi! No. We need to find somebody off guard.
You need this girl.
No.
One of these girls.
I can't do it. No.
Yes, you did. It's for content.
Okay. Alright.
This girl in front of you.
can really copy and paste it and
Sit.
what happened?
Come on, Brandon, you got this.
Karen is not impressed.
Okay, do that, girl, then.
We gotta go to another server. We gotta go to another server.
No, this server.
Wait, now Jeff can actually talk to people.
I wanna do it. I wanna do it in a bunch of people. I wanna do it with in a bunch of people.
Come on.
Ha ha ha.
You're like, I can bang time.
This is fun, actually. Wait.
Wait, say hello to this girl.
No, she's the one who ran.
Well, she's not gonna run this time. Say hi. Or say hello, so it looks better.
Okay.
Bruh, not that one.
Oh, fine. Show me.
The one today. Oh, she ran away.
I told you. I told you. I told you. I told you.
You
Yeehaw, Buster.
Sunset Fruity girl. This girl.
Alright. Hello? Hello? Hey. Sid, stop. I am.
She's not answering. She's just looking straight at you.
Stop!
Say hi again.
No. We're looking for another one. Oh, these girls suck!
Wait, this girl that said brutal. Behind you, this girl.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Hey.
Hello?
Jeff, I need
Alright. What are you looking at? I didn't even do nothing. Me? Who else do you think she's talking to?
Yeah.
Bro, I'ma just hide down these stairs. No. Oh, XD. Okay. Alright. Okay. I got this. Alright. What friend was I talking to? Oh my god, this is cringy. Hello.
Him.
Hello. This boy back up!
Oh.
Hey, XD, shut up!
Dance with her and say
There are so many stars out there.
There are many stars out there. GG. Yeah.
But you're the brightest one.
Ooh. Oh, she did not like that.
JK. Just kidding. Okay, thanks. Alright.
He's not kidding.
Bruh, I
He
am.
meant it, but you didn't like it. So he's saying
I am taking.
So he's saying he was kidding. No.
So go find your boyfriend.
Everyone is here.
Wait, who just sent me a friend request?
Find me one.
No, said you go find your boyfriend. Right now.
Okay.
No. Oh, wait, there he is. Never mind.
This
Hello.
world was great until we found
No, Sid.
Minecraft.
Hey.
Sid, I'll kill you.
Here.
Sid, I don't think that girl knows what to say.
Slapping me in the face.
Fine then.
Until I gave us all a command block.
Wait, try this guy. He's a deaf, wait, this guy.
This one.
This one!
I don't want to do that guy.
Fine, you fine!
I'll pick this guy.
No! No, we're done with this video.
No.
We're going to a different server, Sydney.
No, I'll find one myself.
Fine, what?
That's the same guy I said it to. Now, well.
That guy is definitely Slender, though. You see how tall he is?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Shut your mouth.
Oh no.
Shut your mouth. Imagine
Oh, him, near the pumpkin.
Okay.
Say hi. Say hi. Fine. I'll say. Hi.
I'm
I just summoned the elder.
Rah!
I'm
No, this guy
sorry.
sucks. He might as well die in a hole.
If you do slash,
Braylon.
the elder.
What?
The
You can
girl that
summon
you
different things.
said shut your mouth to. Imagine
Dragon
something
and
so much
Dragon,
tuna
right?
and said shut your mouth.
Shut your mouth. Alright, Sid, you're the last one.
Should I do it? Should I say this in
Well,
front of
I'm
the guy
gonna
who said it
summon-
last time?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Alright, say hi. Say hi. Right now.
Oh, it's the thing that
I
it's the
said
thing
it.
that the evoker summons.
Yo. Alright, after I do mine, we're finished after this. We're
He's not
finished.
answering me.
He's going to! Give him a second to type! Hello, ladies and sir. What?
I will spam hi in his ear.
I can summon a lightning bolt.
I think
I'm
that guy...
talking to you.
He said hi. Alright. Say there are so many stars out there.
Okay.
Bro!
Yes.
I'm scared because it's the same guy I said it to.
Come on! You got to! Next we should do this in Ragdoll Engine.
Oh my god.
There are many stars out there, but you're the brightest one.
He just turns looking at me like, oh.
I'm gay. Okay, that's where we go. So that's our cue to leave.
That's an actual just meme.
So that's our cue to leave.
Oh my god. Of course.
So meet me outside and we'll do the outro. Oh wait, that girl that I said to, she's hiding behind the couch.
Why?
That was so bad.
I think that girl is weirded out.
That was really so bad though.
Come on, meet me outside.
Okay.
Alright, we gotta do the outro.
I don't know.
That was so embarrassing. I just back away and then just leave.
You're like, peace.
Peace out.
I said, do a dance.
Okay.
Do a dance.
Wait, what am I doing?
You can do any dance you feel like.
I'm gonna do the expensive one, and I'm gonna get a 250 Robux one.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below if you
No, wait,
want.
no, we're not done. We're not done.
Please leave a comment down below if you want more videos like this. It took a very long time for me to actually get ready. Not really. So I'll see you all guys in the next video. Bye bye.
No!
We're done.